Checking on end of second week farm stand. I already know what's been taken. We had to bring things in last night. It's morning. I'm still in my pajamas. But lots of flowers still left. That's okay. We will use them. They'll be pretty here. They'll make my porch very pretty if I see any neighbors walking by. I just added sourdough on Saturday. So none of the sourdough sold. And sold a few cookies, sold a few scones earlier in the weekend. I know there was one Venmo for $6. And let's see what our total is for 3 days. Now week one was $0. Okay, awesome. Okay, so all told, including the Venmo, it was $48. That more than pays for any ingredients that I have used here. Everything else I already had on hand. I am asking people to return their jars and containers if they want to keep prices low. Return clean jars and containers if they want to keep prices low, and then I will run them through the dishwasher to sanitize them. But next week, which actually is now this week, this next Thursday, I'm going to do some fresh salsa. I'll get sourdough out there from the beginning. The big thing that I need to figure out is how to keep things in the shade, because the sun is much lower now in the sky, and this is getting full on sun on the baked goods particularly. The flowers are okay because it's cool enough, but the baked goods particularly are in the sun for probably a good 3 hours in the evening or more. So in those little plastic baggies, you're starting to see condensation on things, and that just doesn't look good when people come. So I got to figure out a way to keep them in the shade. I actually need literal paper sacks for the bread. Bread just keeps better in paper sacks than putting it in plastic because it does naturally release moisture. Just a few things to work on. Plus, I need one of those folding sandwich signs out by my driveway and maybe a balloon or something to go up on it to attract attention as people are going by. And we'll see. It's a work in progress. So follow along on my journey. If you're interested, do all the things to help us out, help promote us. And I'll keep you updated on this little front porch farm stand. See you later.